Today we're doing a load test. That's where we erect a steel frame over top of a pile that we've installed, a helical pile, and we put a jack in there between the steel and the helical pile, and we push down on the pile by lifting up on the steel. So the steel frame is set up in an H shape, and at the end of each H, or the end of each upper beam, we've installed what's called a reaction pile, and those are helical piles that are holding that frame down. Next to those, we'll put a board with a little mark on it, and that'll show us if the pile's pulling out of the ground on us, which we don't want. The whole thing needs to stay there and remain stable while we're doing the work. While we're doing that, we're monitoring the hydraulic pressure that we're putting on it, and that shows us how much pressure is on the steel or on the pile. To monitor all that, we have dial gauges set up, and basically we're doing this in 5-minute increments. Every 5 minutes, we increase the load to the next step until we get all the way up to the full load, which would be 72,000 pounds of pressure that we're putting down on the pile. At that, we'll take our final reading, and then we'll actually start stepping the load backwards and letting the pressure off, and checking those gauges while we're doing it to know exactly what we've got for capacity on our pile.